Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change font in Outlook new email. So let's start. This is my Outlook and simply go to the File tab and click on the options, and here the Outlook option dialog box is open. Then click on the Mail, and here in Mail click on the Stationery and Fonts, and after that one dialog box is opens, Signature and Stationery. Click on the second tab, the personal stationery, and in second tab have one option, new email message font. Okay, so you can check here the preview of the font also. Just click on the font option, and again here the small dialog box is open, font. In font have a two tab, font and advanced. In font you can change here the font's text. So I just click on this arrow and select here the one font. You can check here the preview. Okay, and if you want to change the font style, you can select accordingly and check the preview. Font size also you can select. Here the complex scripts also you can change the font style and size, same as here you can give the some effects on your fonts. Okay, and here the font color also you can select particularly. So I select here the red color. Underline style also you can select. Okay, underline color. Okay, so underline color I select here. See the preview here. After that click on OK and click on OK here, and that's it. Click on OK and just click on the new email, and I write here something, hello. So I just click on the text area, write here the message. See, hello. See the red colors with the underline blue, and underline style also changed. So this is a way you can change the font in Outlook new email. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.